Alright, what's going on, guys? We got the old subframe all ripped out, stripped down. Everything is out of it except for the sway bar. I gotta do that in a bit. We got the new one over here. I got one side already put together. Haven't really put the other side together. I kind of wish I didn't put it together already because the subframe kind of needs to be upside down, but whatever. I already started on one bushing, put that one in just to see how hard or how easy it is to do. It was being a real pain in the ass until I put a little bit of grease on there, and that made a world of a difference. So pretty much we're gonna start banging bushings in. Nothing really too hard to this. It's kind of, you just got to get used to it, I guess. I mean, I only did one of them so far. A little bit of grease makes a world of difference. And then also, I filed down. I didn't really make a bevel, but I just like kind of filed down the edge of the insert in a way. I guess not the bushing itself, but the actual subframe. I haven't done it on that side yet, but kind of show you what I'm talking about. Pretty much just go around here and file this edge a little bit. Make sure there's no burrs inside here or anything. Usually where you cut it, there's going to be a little bit of burr, but I already sanded most of that down. I got to go too crazy with them. I had the bushings in the freezer overnight, so should have shrunk up a little bit. I don't know if that really does help, but science says it does, so PBM, only the best. Grease on there. Should lube it up real nice. So you want to have it laying down, but I can't do that because the coilover is on. Alright, so I sanded a little more of a bevel on there. I don't know, we'll see if this works. If not, I'm going to keep going at it. It's not going to affect nothing really. I mean, it's still a solid bushing and there's a bolt that goes through here. So, I mean, it's not going to do nothing to it. That started. Grab a block of wood. So, this didn't do it on the other one. Looks like it's going in smoothly, but something's grabbing right here. I don't think it's really going to matter too much. I just want to make sure it seats all the way. Yeah, so honestly guys, starting it is the hardest part. Once you get it started, just bang the shit out of it in there. There she is. We got 2 in, 2 more to go. This one shouldn't be too bad. That one might be a pain in the ass just because the tow rod is on. It literally goes right there, but we'll figure it out. If you guys are wondering what kind of grease I'm using, I'm just using bread and tacky. It shouldn't really matter what you use as long as you put something on there. It makes it a lot easier to do. It's just Lucas bread and tacky. Oh. I use stuff for everything. That went in a lot easier.
That's how you do a hack job, dude.
Nigga, shut up.
You're not even doing it. Oh my God.
Look what you did.
Look what you did.
Look what you did.
You freaking stupid tire.
Got my rims on the ground.
Gosh dang it. Gosh dang.
What do I do with this guy? Quit complaining, dog. Yeah, that's what you get.
Ew.
I'll let that red and tacky slobber on you.
You need none on it, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, guys, when you do this, make sure you don't get your suspension on there. Just have it a bare subframe.
Yeah, don't be stupid like Zane.
Yeah.
How are you gonna put the other one in?
Shut up.
I really just want to die. You know what I mean. Alright.
We gotta see.
Oh, we'll see you guys tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. In
the next video?
In the next section.
In the next clip.
In the next segment clip.
Okay, for us it'll be a day, but for you guys it'll be like 2 seconds.
Pretty much.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, we're gonna make like a coupler, you know?
I don't know what you mean.
You gotta make the coupler.
Are you talking about 2 seconds?
You don't want to
separate
like
videos?
When you guys don't know nothing about what I do. But you gotta put,
we'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Thank you for watching this part of the video, and then we're gonna show you the next part in a little bit. Oh, sorry, wrong video.
Whoa, what's up? What the hell was that? That was weird. I don't know what the hell just happened, but we're back over here. We got the subframe back, just like where it was yesterday. So we got the new axle because that one is blown. We got sway bar end links because I cut the old ones off because they were being a piece of shit to come off. And some energy suspension bushings for them, just because why not? They're like 15 bucks. Okay,
so what we did is we put everything back on the rear subframe, and then the tires on there just so we can roll it, and we didn't have to lift it up and put it all the way under the car. It's the easiest way to do it.
So
to make it easier to put it in place, we're gonna take the tires off and then just roll it in, because if not, the coilover is gonna hit the gas tank. No.
Start pushing.
Hold up. Okay, it's easier now because it's on the jack.
So Zane, you're sure you're not missing any tools, right?
Alright, so far, me and Zane and Jacob, we put in the rear subframe. It was kind of hard, but the way we did it, we had to like level it out because it was like this, so we had to make it straight so all 4 corners would go in evenly. And after we did that, we just put the bolts in, threaded it in. It's that simple.
Yeah.
Right now, Zane's putting in the brake lines and then the drive line. And that's it. That's the last thing, and then this car's gonna be ready to go, right?
So with these, I did notice that, just like what Jonathan was saying, it has to be leveled out because of the fact that there's solid bushings. There is no there's no give or take with them, so they have to come in like straight. It's kind of hard to do with one jack, but I mean it's doable. We had to jack it up from like up here, just so we can get the front to tilt forward a little bit.
The center part of the diff.
Well,
Or
front,
more, yeah, more towards the front.
where the pinion is.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, it wasn't too bad. It was just a pain in the ass.
But I think we were done explaining what we were talking about. I'm not sure. We got a little bit sidetracked.
Yeah.
But that's pretty much how you put in a rear subframe with solid mount bushings.
Yeah, the only thing we got left is sway bar.
Oh yeah.
And link drive line.
Yeah, that's the other sway bar.
All the suspension bushings, I gotta loosen everything up so I can lift it up and then tighten everything back up. Especially on this side because it's all droopy.
Yeah.
I just assembled everything on the ground. You want to make sure with the bushings to you're supposed to put it on its own weight and then tighten them up, but I'm probably just gonna raise them up and tighten everything.
Yeah.
In a way, because subframes actually sits a little higher now. And corrects a lot of geometry issues and shit like that. But other than that, I mean, we got brake lines to do. We got to bleed the brakes on it.
Please like and subscribe. If it's red, then you guys are not supporting. So you gotta make it gray. And comment below what you guys think about the new 240.
It's not new, my guy.
It's new in my eyes.